in order to give their best in order to create the academic excellence and ambience. I would profusely thank Mr. Kandukuri Nagaraj Garu, Exam in Charge and Chief of Anti-Ragging Squad, and NSS in charge for his efficient handling of these units. I would place on record the mention of Mr. Srikanth, Assistant Professor, who is in charge of sports and cultural, for his excellent way of handling both these units and carving a niche for NCOP as far as these activities are concerned. Last but not the least, I would like to say, this is the beginning, not the end. One academic session ends, but the other follows suit. There is no end to excellence, no end to perfection. I, as the leader of the NCOP, team pledge before this August gathering that I have been motivated by the concerted efforts of the beloved faculty and the students, and we will strive for more laurels and feathers in the caps for achieving newer milestones to cross in the future. Thanking you one and all. God bless NCOP. Thank you.
It is just a mirror image of the success, excellence held by Nalanda aspirants. Thank you so much, sir. Now I welcome Afshan to introduce our today's guest of honor, Mr. Lachireddy Garu.
Of the dais, myself Afshan Noor, I feel privileged to introduce today's guest of honor. His professional experience he served as a customer support engineer for 2 years in Real Care Infotech, Secunderabad. He served as a network engineer for 3 years in BridgeNet, Secunderabad. And he served as a senior network engineer for 3 years in BridgeNet, Secunderabad. And he worked as an assistant professor for 3 years, 8 months in Vignans Engineering College, Guntur. And he also worked as an assistant professor for 3 years, 4 months in LBRCE, Mailavara. And he worked as a professor for 2 years in SRDST, Nalgonda. And currently he is working as a professor since 7 years, 2 months in NITS College, Nalgonda. And his educational qualifications are, he completed SSC in the year of March 1982 in ZP High School, Nalgonda. And he did his intermediate in 1984 in Government Junior College, Miryalaguda. And he completed his BE Electronics in May 1991 in Marathwada University, Maharashtra. And he did MTech in VLSI SD in May 2002 in REC Warangal. And he did his PhD in January 2017 in OPJC University, Rajasthan. And by coming to his publications, he has got 9 publications in various reputed national and international journals. Regarding his conferences, he attended 3 international conferences and he attended 13 short-term courses which are organized by various government bodies. And he has given 7 guest lectures as research persons in short-term courses organized in various engineering institutions. And his personal details are, his father's name is P. Diksha Reddy. He is presently living at Neredichalla. Can you guess it? Who is it? He is none other than our today's guest of honor, Dr. P. Lachireddy Garu. Thank you.
Today's chief guest, Dr. Narayan Garu, the chairman of the college, Sri Padur Mohan Reddy Garu, principal of NCOP, Dr. Rajeshwar Datta Garu, invitees, guests, parents, press and media, students, a very good evening to all of you. At the outset, I thank the organizers for inviting me this wonderful evening. I am very happy to be with you, all of you, this wonderful evening. Principal, you are already told that so many of your friends have secured top ranks in the examinations. This should be continued every year. So earlier, your seniors, some of your seniors got the university ranks. So I hope you will get again the same university ranks, top ranks, first, second, third. Before you leave, you should have an aim that you should be in high position, because you are the dreams of your parents. Your parents want to see you in high position in the society. Try to make their dreams true. Whatever they could not achieve, they are expecting you to achieve. Please try to make your parents' dreams true. Be in high positions in the society. Work hard to achieve that goal. For giving this opportunity, I thank all of you. Thank you.
B.Com, M.Com, M.Phil and PhD from Andhra University and working as Director of Vikas Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. He has 25 years of experience in the field of pharmacy and has been instrumental in uplifting the profession, particularly in pharmacy education in India. At present, he is Vice President of Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Mumbai, Chairman of IPA Education Division. He has been bestowed the honor of IPA Fellowship in 2004 for his outstanding contribution. He has initiated the IPA Student Forum and organized 4 national level student congresses and 125 workshops throughout the country for the benefit of pharmacy students. His efforts and hard work motivated many pharmacy students throughout the country and resulted in the enrollment of nearly 5,000 student pharmacists in IPA. He is responsible for creating the largest network of Indian pharmacy students throughout the country. He has organized 45 UIP programs to pharmacy teachers and 25 continuing education programs for community and hospital pharmacists throughout the country. He is core committee member of Indian Host Committee of the recently held FIP World Congress at Hyderabad in 2011 and Joint Secretary of 63rd Indian Pharmaceutical Congress. He is a member of Pharmacy Council of India, a statutory body which regulates the pharmacy profession in India. He is active member of Professional Pharmacy and Pharmacy Ethics Committee of PCI, New Delhi. He is member of FIP since 2004 and has been attending the World Congress of FIP since 2002. He has motivated and led the Indian pharmacists to FIP Congress held at Egypt, China, Basel, Istanbul and Lisbon. He has attended the Global Pharma Education Task Force meetings as official representative of IPA and promoted the ongoing projects of FIP in India. He is successful in promoting the FIP objectives in India and instrumental in framing the guidelines to suit the local needs. He has been honored with many awards to his career, including the Fellowship of Indian Pharmaceutical Association for his outstanding service and contribution to the pharmacy profession. He has guided more than 1,500 students to mold their career as community pharmacists throughout the country. It's my pleasure to welcome you to deliver a message, sir.
Nice introduction. Honorable President of today's annual day celebration, Sri P. Mohan Reddy Garu, and the fellow professional and guest of honor, Principal of NITS College, Dr. Lachi Reddy Garu, and Principal, I can say dynamic principal, my classmate in UG and PG, Dr. Rajesh Sardar, and management members in the audience, Sri Prabhakar Reddy Garu, and principals from Mother College, Dr. Ashok from Pratishtha College, staff of this prestigious group of institution, my another good friend, Mr. Venkateswara Rao, and Dr. Algar Rajas, and my dear students. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Actually, it is a hard time for coming for college day and giving the lecture or speeches. I don't want to take much of your time because this is your day, your college day. You are interested to showcase your talent by cultural program and interested to receive the prizes in which way the organizers have conducted. Isn't it? Thank you very much. So I can understand you don't want me to talk more. I can take only 2 minutes from your side. One good thing I want to tell, my dear students, you are in the best part of the human life. Anybody in his life, they will cherish the moments of student life. We can proudly say you are in the best part of the human life. Isn't it or not? Except examination time. So this is the area where you will be transformed from the student to the common man in the society. This is the place where every student in his lifetime get transformation and be a part and parcel of the society where he is going to excel in his life or either in success or his failure in his life. This is the place how you are going to decide your future, how you are going to fix your goal as said by my previous speaker. It depends on how you are going to be successful in your life. That's why this part is the most crucial and important phase of any student to be a successful person of the society. My dear students, I want to tell you only one word. You are the youth power of our nation. You are the future leaders of our country. You have a bright future. You have opted for one of the best profession called pharmacy. It is left to you how to grasp the future or the prospects of the profession. That's what I would like to tell you people. The entire nation, what nation, even the state, depends on how you are going to excel in your life, how you are going to be a successful leader of the profession. Otherwise, if you just ignore it or just neglect it, you will be doing a historical blunder, my dear students. We want to see some highly successful future leaders of profession from this group and from this prestigious group of Nalanda College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Because being one of the oldest institutions running 22nd annual day during the Silver Jubilee, and by hearing the annual report of the publications of the staff and the achievements of the students, it was most impressive. But I want to advise the staff and students and principal, I want to hear more achievements from the students' point of view in publications and also the achievements of the students. I request the management to offer some incentives to the students who are presenting their research papers in various national and international conferences. My dear students, if any students want to present a paper of your research in Indian Pharmaceutical Congress, you can apply to me. At least I will see that 1 or 2 students from this college will be given opportunity of sponsoring the registration fees and of the IPC, and you will be allowed to present your paper, research paper, if it is accepted. One more suggestion I want to give it to the students. You have done excellent work, blood donation camp and all, TB day, so many activities we have organized. But it was organized on behalf of college, which does not carry any national value. There was one forum called IPA Students Forum, that is Indian Pharmaceutical Association Students Forum, inaugurated by His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in the year 2008. We started this forum with 25 students. Now it is more than 5,000 students throughout the country. You can organize these activities under the banner of IPA Students Forum, where you will get a national and international recognition. And luckily your principal requested me to permit to start a students forum branch in this area. I think I will put forward this proposal to our Indian Pharmaceutical Association. I will say that the Nalanda College of Pharmacy will get the students forum unit in this area, where you can organize the activities of all the students. You can organize these activities. If your activities are outstanding, the IPA, which is the largest pharmaceutical professional association of our country, will send the students for international conferences with their own money. We have the travel grant, we have the student exchange program. and we have a placement cell. All these activities you can organize through Students Forum. So this information you will get from the website or even the journal Pharma Times, which is available in your library, or you can ask your principal how to be a member of Students Forum, how to actively involve in the activities of the Students Forum. I will give the information to your principal, you can collect from me. And